Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. This little girl, she's 6 years old, daughter of my very good friend, and she can fly these better than I do. Today we will have a race, okay?
Yes.
Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it today and see who wins. I'm sure she's going to beat me, really, because she's very good. Trust me on that. So let's fly. Are you ready?
Go.
Go, yes!
它飞得起来的。
好，你来教吧，阿里。
好，Go! Oh! She's already beating me, man.
让它跑到这里。
Oh, she already did it.
哇，好快！
Man, she is fast.
Good job.
Oh, there she is. I see her. You can run, but you can't hide.
我也拿着，这边我拿着。
Oh, she's fast, man.
可以，可以。
Look at the angle she is pulling, man. Beautiful.
Amazing.
She's better than me. I'm already low battery.
他的，还大金胆是吧？啊，这个阿里吗？叫阿里，是大金胆的，对。可是他等于是现在在小博士刚听说，小博士是这个啊。好，最后一圈了啊！他这里是最后一圈了，绕完这个起就可以停了。对。OK， 起劲，停了。
She landed already? I'm still flying.
You're still flying. 好厉害呀 ！Good.
Yes, high five.
降落的时候爆力。
Get me five.
Yay, she's the winner, man. To try again. I have to fly faster.
电子都插坏了。对不起，哎呦呦呦！我们这里有什么活动吗？到时候过来看一下啊。
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.